Hello everyone, welcome back to the White One Auto YouTube channel. And what we have today is a 2016 Buick LaCrosse. And we have a noise in the rear. So we took a look at our brake pads, they are fine. Our rotor was okay, but this is our noise. And that noise just increases once the vehicle is loaded and is going at much higher driving speeds. So what we're gonna do is put a new hub in it and then clean up everything and then put it back together and our noise will be gone. So remember, it's not what you assume is wrong, it's only what you can prove has failed. Thank you for following along. White One Auto out.